Garcia, one of the sports and knee surgeons here. Today we're going to show a video testimonial of a patient, 65, unfortunately tore her meniscal root. A few years ago we would have not had options to take care of this, and more data is showing that these patients will do quite well even at age 65 or above. And you'll be able to see her result overall. We were able to fix it and get it to heal back down so she can get back to the activity she wants to do. Hope you enjoy the video testimonial. Thanks.
Hi, I had injured my knee last summer, and either it was probably sometime between babysitting and hiking, and I believe what happened was that I torn my meniscus root when I was playing with my grandson, letting him bounce on my knee. So I had an appointment with another doctor that I went in to see. I was warned that it was going to be what was wrong. They had a torn meniscus root, and that the recovery for the repairing something like that was going to be very difficult and more like having a knee replacement. So my daughter, who works for orthopedics, recommended this doctor in Seattle, Dr. Garcia, and so I came in for a second opinion. So I came into Dr. Garcia's office for my first appointment, and he understood clearly what had happened and gave me information on a new procedure that hasn't been around for long, 5 years or so, and that it was proving to be pretty successful on older people like myself. I'm active and I liked hiking, and it was real important for me to try to get back to where I was before the incident. So I was scheduled for an appointment and came in and had my operation. I was amazed at the recovery because I was expecting to come out of surgery in a lot of pain. But when I woke up from surgery, there was no pain, and I thought, well, I'll just take my meds and wait because it's probably going to get worse in a day or so. Anyway, bottom line is I had no pain ever from the time I had surgery until now. It was a painless procedure. And I was, probably the hardest part is the fact that you have to stay off your feet for 8 weeks. And after that, I after 8 weeks, I was back on the trail and doing some hiking. And I was amazed at how quickly the knee recovered. It's almost feels back to normal today. And we're at week number 20 or so. So when I started becoming more active again and getting out and walking and so forth, I was really surprised at how quickly my knee strengthened. It would seem like every time I went out and did a hike or exercised on my machine that the knee got stronger and stronger. So I had no idea that it would recover this quickly. It's supposed to take a whole year for it to get back to where it was, and now I'm feeling maybe 90% right now with the way things have healed. So I'm really pleased. I would recommend anyone who has anything like this to have it fixed, because it's an easy procedure for the patient to go through, and the recovery has been smooth as can be.